This is my evil omen for sale, and I'll show you recock pressure on there. I'm going to start out with your smallest Allen key. Can't really see. You want to stick it in the side and just turn it in until it just bottoms out, and then back it off about a quarter of a turn. You're going to want to cock the gun and turn it on. Switch. It'll shoot and uncock itself. You then want to recock and turn the pressure up, fire again. And you want to continue this until it recocks. And it will stay recocked. Turn it maybe a quarter of a turn. Once it's firing, and works good. Right now it's set at I think 25 balls per second and bounce like. Matter of fact, it's going full auto with the bounce. For sale.